Now let's look into the Abhyasakaryam exercise. Pronounce the words correctly. Uttisthami. Okay, here they have given the correct form. There was a typing error, some mistake in the textbook first line. Here the correct form is written. You can also copy this word there. Uttisthami, uthna. Shatvadanataha, Shatvadanataha, from 6 o'clock. Dantadhavanam, Dantadhavanam, brushing of teeth. Tadanantaram, Tadanantaram, after that. Jananya, Jananya, with mother. Varta lapam, Varta lapam, conversation. Now next question you are not going to copy from here. It's up to you because that's an open-end question. There are multiple answers possible. The thing is, I am going to give you some guidance of how you can make your own sentences so that you can do each and every sentence according to your routine. There is no copy-paste answer कि यहाँ से लिख लिया, अपने दोस्त की book से लिख लिया. Okay, you have to be creative and truthful to your routine. First of all, if the question is Bhavan, Bhavati, you are not going to use any of these words. Because Bhavan and Bhavati meaning aap, you. If the question is asking Bhavan kada uttisthati, aap kab uthte ho, you are not going to answer aap 9 baje uthte ho. You are going to answer each and every word starting with aham. Start with this instead of Bhavan, Bhavati. Note it down. Second thing, wherever there is uttisthati, karoti, gacchati, kridati, again karoti, these are not to be used in the answers because I am going to give you new ending. If it is uttisthami, you are going to write like this, ending with a and me. If it is karoti, you will write karomi. If it is gacchati, please write gacchami. The reason is we are starting all the sentence with aham, so the ending has to be according to the chocolate and the wrapper, according to my story in the simplified Sanskrit series. If you have missed that episode, please watch it. The link is in the description box. Kridati will become kridami and karoti is karomi. Okay, so this is the first point. This is the second point. Please note down. And now the answer part. Now the main part is they have asked in kada and kati. According to me, samay is never kati vadane. Kati is how many? No, this is a very improper way to ask. Yes, kada is when. But you know why they have written kati? It is because they want to compare this and want a different answer. Kati vadane. Kitne baje. That vadane is also added. So they thought चलो kati लगा देते हैं. But it's okay. हमें आंसर में क्या ध्यान देना है? हमें न तो कदा लिखना है न तो कति लिखना है. Our answer should be, if it is one number, then write this A. This A is very important. If it is only single number. If you prefer to answer only, मैं इतने बजे उठता हूँ. अहम पंचवादने उत्तिष्ठामि. अहम सप्तवादने उत्तिष्ठामि. अहम सपाद सप्तवादने उत्तिष्ठामि. तो वादन के ऊपर A is important. Next. कति वादने प्रार्थनाम करोमि. अहम कति वादने प्रार्थनाम करोमि. If I want to write two समय and then join के इतने से इतने बजे तक. So my first word will be vadanatah and second word will be vadana paryantam. इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक. अब मैं आप पे छोड़ती हूँ. Be creative. Use your own routine to write these sentences in Sanskrit. Let's move on to the next one. Frame the sentences using this table. This is a very interesting question because here only subject and last verb is missing. So let's first write every sentence will begin with aham meaning I. And each and every sentence will end with the word karomi and purna viram. Aham karomi. Aham kim karomi? Aham alpaharam karomi. Alpaharam अर्थात breakfast. Aham utthanam karomi. I am waking up. Aham pathanam karomi. I am reading. Bhojanam karomi. Eating. Katha shravanam karomi. I am listening to katha. Katha can be any story or a spiritual story of Lord. Aham adhyayanam karomi. I am studying. Aham shayanam karomi. I am sleeping. Now, as you know, there is no AM and PM in Sanskrit. तो पता कैसे चलेगा सुबह के 5 बजे उठते हो या शाम के? That's why these words are to be connected. A and B column. प्रातः 6 वादने अल्पाहारम करोमि. प्रातः 9 वादने, so 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock. मध्याह्ने is the word for afternoon. Ahan is divas. Madhya is the center of the day. So मध्याह्ने. द्वादश वादने, so 12 noon. सायं 6 वादने, 6 p.m. सायं सप्त 7 p.m. रात्रौ mean रात में. रात्रौ अष्ट, रात्रौ दश, so 8 p.m. 10 p.m. So make the sentence using this connection. So you know the best match. जैसे उत्थानम है तो उत्थानम पहले होगा, तो षड वादने उठो. फिर 9 बजे क्या करोगे? तो इसमें से you can write pathanam, you can write adhyayanam. Okay, so be sensible and make sensible sentences according to AM, PM and your routine. After looking at the picture, we have to make Sanskrit sentences about the routine. Here I can see 3 boys and they are playing. So our first word will be balakaha and last will be kridanti in plural. सभी बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. Now I want to use some samay. So I will write Sayam Saptavadane, 7 p.m. they are playing. So let's write Sayam Saptavadane Kridanti. Balakaha Sayam Saptavadane Kridanti. Here he is waking up. है ना? कितने बजे उठता होगा? प्रातः 6 वादने. Okay, you can make your own sentence. You can change this. बालकः प्रातः 6 वादने उत्तिष्ठति. ये कैसे लिखना है? ये त और ये आधा त और ये एक ही मात्रा उत्तिष्ठति. छात्राः 11 वादने प्रार्थनां कुर्वन्ति. 11 o'clock they are praying. Here I can see all boys, balakaha. Even if there is one single girl, the majority balakaha, we have to write. What are they doing? Duradarshanam pashyanti. At what time? You can write any time. Balakaha. They will not watch in the prataha. I guess I am going to write sayam. And again, something I want to use. Not sapta, but sapada sapta. 7:15 they are watching Duradarshanam. Pashyanti. They are going to school. So I guess it will be a morning school. So I'm going to write 10 o'clock they are going to the school. And I'll not call them chhatra. I'll not call them balakaha. They are in uniform. So students. छात्रः बहुवचन छात्राः प्रातः 10 or let me write early morning 7:30. सार्ध 7 वादने कुत्र गच्छन्ति? विद्यालयं गच्छन्ति. All right, you can make your own sentence. Please don't copy paste. Again, next question is you have to write about your own routine. So please be careful. Don't copy paste from here. Aham pratah 6 vadanatah 7 vadana paryantam nitya kriyam karomi. नित्य क्रिया किसे कहते हैं? जो हम रोज सुबह करते हैं. दंत धावनम, शौच क्रिया इत्यादि। तो 6 से 7 बजे वो नित्य क्रिया करते हैं। अहम योगाभ्यासम करोमि, अगर नहीं करते ये लिख दीजिए, बट न लिखने से अच्छा हम योगाभ्यास करें और कोई टाइम डिसाइड करते हैं। चलो, सप्तवादनतः सार्ध सप्तवादन पर्यंतम, ये ठीक रहेगा, 7 to 7:30। उसी तरह से आपको लिखना है, अहम प्रातः 9 वादनतः सार्ध 9 वादन पर्यंतम किम करोमि, क्या करती हूँ? पढ़ाई लिखाई करते हो तो पठनम लिखना, खेलते हो तो क्रीडाम लिखना। मैं लिखूंगी अध्ययनम, या फिर खेलते हो क्रीडाम। अहम कदा अध्ययनम करोमि, you can write any of the time using तः and पर्यंतम। Next is अहम सायं षट्वादनतः सप्तवादन पर्यंतम किम करोमि, 6 से 7 क्या करते हो? You can write स्तुतिम करोमि, अगर खेलते हो तो कहना क्रीडाम करोमि इत्यादि आप लिख सकते हैं। Now there is a public transport called लोकयानम। लोकयानम is generally used for the red bus, जो गवर्नमेंट की बस होती है ना, जो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट में मेजोरिटी पीपल यूज दैट, so that's why it's called लोकयानम। Now in Gujarati it is written बसनु समय पत्रक, meaning the timetable of the bus. So this is the route कि यहाँ से यहाँ जाती है। These places are the departure point and the right hand side places are the destination. These are the agamanam and that is the nirgamanam, arrival and departure timing. So here the example says Upaleta Rajkot Lokayanam. So this is the name of the route, the Upaleta and Rajkot route. That bus Navavadane agachati. Navavadane agamanam agachati. Arrival time is 9 o'clock. So if you are waiting at the bus stop, 9 o'clock the bus is going to come. 9:10 vadane gachati. 9:10 is written here. Okay, but I don't understand the example given here. Are they asking us to just write the Sanskrit number in English? Because example तो वही कहता है कि इसके जैसे वाक्य बनाइए. So I am a little perplexed looking at this. But अगर आप संस्कृत के सच्चे स्टूडेंट हो, अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो, तो हम जो आंसर्स डिस्कस करेंगे वो लिखेंगे, ना तो सिर्फ नंबर्स को चेंज करेंगे. ठीक है, तो लेट्स सॉल्व इन संस्कृत. Okay, let us give these numbers and now we are good to go. Directly I am going to write the numbers in Sanskrit. The main point is first you are going to name the route, then write what vadane agachati means to come, evam is and what vadane it goes. So agachati, gachati, all the sentence will remain the same. I am going to replace this and this number in Sanskrit for you. Prathamam vakyam. 9, 9, 10. Navavadane. I am not going to repeat the vadane word. Vadane is the same. Navavadane agachati. Dashadhika. 10 minutes zyada. दशाधिक नववादने गच्छति. Let's talk about the द्वितीय लोकयानम. पोरबंदर अहमदाबाद लोकयानम 10:10. 10 मिनट ज्यादा है तो कहेंगे दशाधिक दशवादने आगच्छति 10:20. अब 20 मिनट यानी 10:15 से 5 मिनट ज्यादा. पंचाधिक सपाद दशवादने गच्छति. तो 10:15 से 5 मिनट ज्यादा. तृतीय होगा 12वां वडोदरा लोकयानम 12:15. सपाद 12 वादने आगच्छति एवं 12:30 12:30 वादने गच्छति। सभी में वादने शब्द कॉमन है। चतुर्थ है जाम जोधपुर जस्न लोकयानम 15 5 यानी पंचाधिक। अब 15 यानी क्या होता है? 13 14 15 3। तो वो कैसे पता चलेगा एएम है या पीएम? मैं यहां पे लिखूंगी मध्याह्ने। ठीक है, ये मध्याह्ने पंचाधिक त्रिवादने। 15 10 आगच्छति एवं मध्याह्ने दशाधिक त्रिवादने गच्छति। पंचमम कोलकी धोराजी लोकयानम 16:30 यानी मध्याह्न के 4:30। तो लिखेंगे मध्याह्ने 4:30 को कहेंगे सार्ध चतुर्वादने। यहाँ पे मैं वादने के साथ आपको बताऊंगी क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेफ लगेगी। से लेके 16:35 तो 5 मिनट ज्यादा है 4:30। तो पूरा होगा पंचाधिक सार्ध चतुर्वादने। यहाँ पे भी मध्याह्न लगेगा और यहाँ पे भी, क्योंकि हम पीएम की बात कर रहे हैं। अस्तु, please be careful in this. Otherwise, if your school permits you to just write this, your choice. Go ahead. When we are doing a complete chapter where you are learning Sanskrit Samayaha and that also Sampurna Gati, it's a good time that you write in your Griha Karyam Mama Dinacharya. This topic is so popular that when adults learn Sanskrit, they also write their Dinacharya and say it. So please write your Dinacharya, and if you want to show it to me, then my WhatsApp number given at the end are open and I would love to check your homework. But when you comment and let me know that I have submitted, that time I am going to check it. Astu, dhanyavadaha, punarmilamaha. Do some paropkar today. Share this video to those who are still confused in Sanskrit. Join our support system group exclusively for students of class 5 to 7, 8 to 10 and 11-12 onwards. Keep learning and have fun with Sanskritam. If you found this video helpful, contributions are open and welcome to the UPI number given in the description box. You can also contact WhatsApp number 8511 499 555. It's completely optional and your contributions will help us to create more free videos for all of you. Dhanyavadaha.